bringing the stretcher here to try to fix this broken part. Jeremy's on his way right now. He had to get off work to come and do this, so he's coming around right now for bringing that stretcher, I hope, for us to... Yeah, here he comes. Hey.
That will not stay clipped on my belt. As soon as I sit down, it flew off.
Well, just
The clip.
I don't never wear them either. Bring the stretcher and anything. Oh, you might want to go ahead and just grab pliers too. You can go under that tree limb, Jeremy. Bring those and also bring the fence pliers. You know what I'm talking about? The ones that's...
They're talking to him.
Yeah. They won't know why we're back here. Sorry, I thought I got it. I've got the fence pulled up the best I can, but what we're going to have to do, I think, let's see. Oh, come over here, I think. Over here. What are we doing? Right here, I tied this on right here, but I need to take it loose. And let me put, I'm going to hang this right here, okay?
What I'm going to do is hook this one
to that one, okay? We're going to put the fence stretcher right here and right here, and then try to pull this together to get enough slack to tie this. I don't know if it'll work, but we're going to try it because we got kind of an emergency here, so let's keep a little slack here.
I'd rather go a little too far.
Yeah, that's right. So we need room to ratchet. Have you got, yeah, you got something there too. Lock that in. Hold it down. Hold on, Schmidt, hold on. Let me unwrap this. They pop loose. We need to see if we can get some slack here.
Hey, just let me see what this will.
Don't go much further now, it'll break. Okay, you got it? That might be enough for us to get a loop in it. Let's
Hold
see.
this just a second. Let me get them apart.
Okay. They're right here, Jeremy. Right here. Oh, them. Probably gonna be better with them. You can put a fold. You need to bend back and just put a twist around it. So. Can you pull that under and get a? Let me twist it. Let go. Let go this way. Oh, I'm not. Well, all right, that works. Pull it. You're twisting it, didn't you?
Hold this thing up. That's all I need you to do. Hold it up.
You can get a twist in
Well,
that.
I need another pair of pliers.
Let go of it and just twist it again. Just grab all that squeeze. And do the same thing you just did there. Twist around and around. There you go. Very good. I think I got it twisted there. That's gonna stay. You don't need to come back to fix this, but it might hold it now. You know what I mean? That's okay. Got some tension on it. Come loose here. All right, there we go.
Did we lose a fence?
That's not really good, but yeah. Oh, we need some fence clips too because it pops some, and I've tried to find them. We need to do another one, Jeremy. Okay, guys, we got the fence fixed. What we did, we used a stretcher, and we got all 4 pieces there tightened up, and you see they're really tight. They're not going nowhere. Had to go get a little small section of a barbed wire and had to fix a little place right here. We put a little piece in here, but the rest of it went real good. And we're safe now. We got a big gap in here. I'll have to come get this tree down, and we've also got a real bad storm. I mean, a severe storm, just like 2 hours ago, and it uprooted right here a tree, uprooted one right over there, uprooted one right there. If you see that in the woods, it's going like it's a big old tree, and we got limbs down like right here. Got a big mess, and this is just one side of the farm. On the other side, we got several trees uprooted. We're not sure if a tornado didn't come through here. It may have been just straight line winds, but we'll see here in just a minute. All right, this is the other side of the barn. As you see, we got a big tree right here that's laid down on us. And I think there's one back there in the back, and then we got one right here that you're seeing the bottom of it. there's no root system on these trees, but it's fell across the fence. And that one there was on the other side of the fence. It's not in our property, but we're gonna have to get it up to get it out of the way. And then right here is another one that's come up. And I mean, look at this. There is no roots in the bottom of these trees. I don't know what kind of trees they are, but I mean, there is no roots. Just a couple of little leader roots right there, little small ones. I think they said we had about 80-mile-an-hour winds today. I heard the newsman say 60 to 80 miles an hour. I don't know for sure if that's what it was, but we just put this fence up a few weeks ago, and there's a YouTube video of it. But and I don't know what's happened here. This tree fell, uprooted, fell back through the woods there. Then this tree here uprooted across it. This one fell, went through the woods. This one fell on top of it. And it's got the fence. The fence is up and over and down into the, I mean, it's just ripped into the whole thing. And then this, got trees up here. I don't know where that tree limb there come down. That's a little small one there come down, but we just did all this work here. And it's just, I mean, you know, nothing we can do about it. Little small one right there down. Got one uprooted right here that was in the outside the fence. Massive mess here that we got to clean up. Don't know what we're gonna do. We'll have to see how we handle this. I'm surprised none of them trees up there went down, but they didn't. Looking to see if we lost any limbs up high. This was a massive storm. Just got a lot of work ahead of us this summer, but that's part of it. Still got a nice place, just got to do a lot of work. Well, we just walked around, and this is one we missed. We didn't see this big tree here. We were going to take it down anyway because it looks so bad.
If it's not over here, it's in the creek.
Probably in the creek. I think it was over here. We'll look. This is in the creek here, and we've got a rake that we had put back here too that goes on the back of our tractor, and it's not anywhere to be found. It may be in this creek. We'll have to find it. I don't know. Water's almost to the top of this creek now. We'll have to get all this up. See if I can find the rake. The thing about it ain't gonna float down river. It'll just be hung somewhere probably. Man, there's trees down all through these woods. Anyway, this is the back of the barn. We were over there just a little bit. I mean, we've lost a whole lot of trees here. What we got here, guys, this is a piece of it's a tractor frame. What it is, we had it laying in the yard in the farm here. We bought a tractor a long time ago, and we took it off and never let it go with the tractor, so it's been laying there. So we're going to use it for a round to get a log up on here, because we got a log that we can't pick up with our tractor. We're going to see if we can get it over here and wrap a chain around it and try to take the tractor, put the tractor over on the other side, over there, where that blue tractor is. I'll move it out of the way, and we'll take a chain and wrap around it, and then we'll just roll it up, try to roll it up there. So we'll show you in a minute. We'll demonstrate.
Oh,